Afusa, wait oh. Which matric number you call now? Me, I just rough her for head, and I give her 67 because I don't even know my own self. Eh? You think waiting for her? Afusa, that is my matric number 67. Now be 67.
What am I saying?
God have mercy upon us.
Good morning. Wow. Hey, don't you just sit down. You should not frustrate me. Whoa. I cannot be coming here every day. Oh, I will not be wasting my time and be stressing myself because I want to teach you guys. I don't. You guys will not graduate one day. Hey, in this 1,500 naira per liter. Eh? I have to park somewhere. I was trekking before I can get to this class today. And you people are just saying, good morning. It's simple common sense now, which is not common at all. Hey, I'm a nursing mother and I have a husband at home. This morning, I did not see my husband. I did not even see my children. I was like, okay, I have to come to this class to come and take you guys. And you guys are here doing rubbish. In fact, where is the governor of this class? Okay, you are the one. Take. That is the note that you guys will write for the next 1 week, which I will not be in the class. You people should use my period to be writing that note. Can you hear me?
Dissolve!
Nonsense. My name is Mrs. Gladys, and I will not know where they push the government they go. You people cannot turn me to a mad person. If you like, don't write that note. The note alone carry 5 marks. How will I write that note and collect 5 marks? And try me with rubbish. Emma Baudoni, I'm telling you. See you guys next. In fact, see you guys anytime. The governor, make sure your phone is ringing because I will call you. Bye. I have to trek again now. I remember what write this because me, I don't know where university about to graduate order. Go they write notes. Like say kindergarten era. Are we in primary school? As we know whom are prepared to write the notes, we are not even writing any notes.
Dissolve!
Then prepare to carry this course. You idiots! With my PhD, I suffer to write something finish. I even try to join. Eh? Do you think it's easy for me? I spent that 2,000 naira to enter this class today, and you are yet telling me gap. In fact, what is that your matric number again? Matric number 67, ma. 676767. There is no way I will be able to forget this your matric number, and I will make sure I see you next year in the same class, in the same lecture room. There's no way. You this girl. In fact, people should not write it. I dare you. People should not write it. What is funny? Why are you laughing? Is anything funny here? You are so funny.
I will soon beat someone's child.
Afusa, wait oh. Which matric number you call now? Me, I just rough her for head, and I give her 67 because I don't even know my own self.
Dissolve!
Eh? You think waiting for her? Afusa, that is my matric number 67. Now be 67. Hey, Retell, you go see her next year be that you. You are who to meet who.
Tunix Film shot it.